Nice. I just want to make sure everybody knows what in the world is going on right now. All eyes on crypto, all eyes on Bitcoin. This is not a dream. We just reached $39,600, the highest price in 2023. Just happened moments ago at 1 p.m. Central Time, 30 minutes ago. And as you can tell, volatility is at an all-time high. This is the time when exchanges make the most money, trading fees, commission fees. This is where traders and ballers and all the crypto experts go and start buying, selling, shorting, long. And it's just the fun, excitement, momentum, the hype, the FOMO. And I got to tell you guys, I was right. 22 hours ago, I literally specifically told you a crypto urgency, days left, and it's happening. So I'm okay with me being able to be transparent with you guys and giving you the facts. What are the facts? We have 30 plus days for a decision on the Bitcoin ETF, according to many reports. So that is coming. Institutional investors are aware that if you don't get in right now, you're going to be left behind until the next bear market. It's going to come to 39, 35,000 in 2026, 7, 8 after the bull. That's going to be the drop, possibly. That's what I'm forecasting, personal opinion. But it looks to a much different direction, and that is the $40,000. Guys, $40,000 can occur today. $40,000 can be broken to that you're seeing right now on the screen. Ethereum also posting a new high in 2023. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Link, XRP, Solana, Ring. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. As always, Oscar Ramos here trying to keep you updated in the know. I went ahead and immediately when I saw it, guys, I literally finished eating my lunch and I was like pulling up my phone. I'm like 39,500. What? So breaking, soaring, crypto adoption next, ETFs next. This is basically going on and letting people know what in the world is happening. If I come to my homepage, I'm going to see, there you go. Cryptosaurus, welcome back, 39,000, down 39,000, 40,000 incoming. Just seeing CoinGecko above 39,000. I think you know what's wow, rand 39. I mean, this is not a small deal. Being at $39,400, $500, what else is next? $40,000, guys. I know it's only 2%. I know it's not the big exploding, but we don't have to be so naive. Just go to the 4 hours. This is exploding because now we can track back and see that we have put easily over 5% in the last 72 hours or so. So that is exploding. That is decent for Bitcoin. So we see short amount of time, nice, decent elevation in the price. So this is really good. Let's go ahead and go close once again. Now, I always like to analyze it 15 minutes when there's a bunch of volatility because for traders, like I said, this is heaven. This is really, really good. Now, we are seeing 1.46, guys, 1.50 is ahead. What are the big winners? Well, obviously, altcoins, and right now, Ord is doing, IOTA is doing, Celestia is doing, Torch and Blur is kind of coming back as it was down. I hope that you got some of those cheap deals. Eyes are also on Terra Luna Classic, USDC, and other different tokens, right? That are also holding. Terra Luna Classic doing really well, 9%. So it's pushing, right? We're seeing some winners right now, which is really, really exciting. Greed. We are going to come to extreme greed really soon. Mark my words. And I'll keep you updated when it comes to the Bitcoin and macro. As always, like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. Don't forget to get your up to 5,000 on BingX. First link down below, and join crypto.com because there's really no better exchange right now when it comes to, if you come to DeFi, Llama, centralized exchanges, transparency is one of the tops that they're accepting the more inflows. And I'm very nice. Now, why? Well, let's go to the week. If you want to analyze Bitcoin, you have to go to the week to do the proper macro, right? Looking at the logarithmic view, and a good way of seeing this is not with the candles, but with the Heikin-Ashi candles. So I'm kind of putting you in the right perspective. When you zoom out enough, we're looking 2020 to 2023. How do you and what do you notice here? Well, I noticed a bull market of 2021. I noticed the almost double top, the rejection in the 69 price. I can click this, and once again, we are up. This is the highest price that we had for Bitcoin recorded. If we go to Ethereum, we're gonna see that at 4,000 or something dollars. So it might seem like, oh well, I mean, just a few red candles. That is every single week. We've had our crash, our bear market, our accumulation phase that we are basically close to ending. And look at this, every single week it's been mostly bullish. This is a Heikin Ashi, so it's telling me the trend of the price of Bitcoin, which in this case is bullish. And when will it stop and give us finally a reversal? Can it come? Well, anything can happen in crypto, but what I can tell you is there's nowhere in my mind that I cannot foresee, guys. It's likely a $43,000 consolidation, and that's gonna put us right around a great opportunity for us to get some profits if you want some trades. But obviously, given the fact that Michael Saylor, institutions, and asset managers with trillions of dollars are adding to their positions with Bitcoin, makes no sense why to sell right now. Now, from here, let's go back to the candles. And it looks like this. And even in the candles, we see green and we see things running in the last couple of weeks. The last couple of weeks is what matters with Bitcoin. Right now, we're seeing that in the weekly RSI, we are overbought. So that means that bullish and FOMO is trying to kick in a little bit. Now, I know it kind of seems like somewhere in the previous bull market, but don't worry. This is just the accumulation phase still. We are projecting, and for this, I'm going to need to use my indicator, Bitcoin logarithmic growth. There you go. So this is somewhat similar to the Bitcoin stock flow model, to the Bitcoin rainbow chart. And what it tells me is with time, the price of Bitcoin, I mean, realistically speaking, has to be touching those curves. We're under the curves, right? And there could be more analysis. This is just one for visualization purposes. But what it means is that in the previous bull markets, in the previous times, so let's go ahead and zoom out more. You see how the price of Bitcoin is respecting the curves? You see it? Well, we are under the curves, meaning that we can have easily a 143% jump, and we're barely going to be at the bottom of the curve at $100,000. That's what I'm telling you, everybody. I wanted to keep you updated. That's what's going on right now. Don't waste any time. $40,000 is coming really soon. And I thank you for watching. Good warning, good emergency video for everybody to start acting fast. This you don't want to miss. Peace.